Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Southeast Europe and a neighbor to Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, North Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Montenegro. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Serbia, Serbia, Serbia. Serbia is known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions, including music and festivals. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Serbia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.